Hey floor cleaners, it's John here. November 25th is fast approaching, and for those of you that don't know what that means, I'm sure most of you do, it means Black Friday, and Black Friday means the busiest time of year for sales in any business, in any industry, period. In this video, I'm gonna run you through my top 12 Black Friday marketing and sales tips to drive sales for your floor cleaning business this year, guaranteed. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a company called AGB, or Add to Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, we get companies like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot, guaranteed with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 7, bundles and conditional discounts. By bundling your floor cleaning offers together or offering conditional discounts, you're encouraging shoppers to book more floor cleaning services in one go. You can put an offer where if a customer books your service within 10 days, they'll get 15% discount for the next 2 bookings. You can add your own terms and conditions to the offer, but try your best to make your bundle offer look a very generous one. Give gifts or discounts when clients purchase high dollar cleaning. When a client gets cleaning over $300 or $400, give away extras such as a free bottle of spot remover, free area rug cleaning, or a small dollar amount off. Number 8, cross-sell your services. Give it a go to a cross-sell of your company's services. Many customers will be open to trying a new cleaning service combo option during the festive season. If you primarily do carpet cleaning, give away $50 in free tile cleaning with $150 or more carpet cleaning purchase. This will lead the way for you to do more tile cleaning and possibly promoting secondary services inside your company to the front of booking requests. So for example, Thanksgiving's coming up. You've got family members coming from all over the country to stay with you. This person may well be looking to get their carpets clean, and maybe as like a Black Friday deal or a special deal of the day or a flash sale, maybe you'll do like, get a free bathroom clean or get free $50 of tile cleaning with any carpet cleaning booking over $150 or over $200 or more. And then people might see that deal and think, wow, that's great. I've got family coming over and they want to get their carpets clean. And then there's a flash sale this comes up where they're going to get tile cleaning as well. That may well lead them to think, you know what, actually I'll take that offer up and I'll get the bathroom clean as well, especially since I've got guests coming over. And again, you do a great job. You have all the systems in place on the back end. Maybe you upsell them so it turns into a more valuable job, and you've got a referral scheme. This person, this guy, man, woman that's taking you up on this carpet and tile cleaning offer. You turn up, you do a great job, you end up upselling her maybe. She ends up getting both bathrooms done. She ends up getting more rooms of the carpet done since you're there. And then, you have a referral scheme, maybe leave some cards or some like referral vouchers or whatever, some discount vouchers. Family come, they're like, wow, your carpet looks amazing, bathrooms, wow, you can see your face in the tiles, incredible. And so she's like, yeah, I've hired these guys, got them on a deal, amazing option. And then the family members end up taking a few flyers, and now you've generated another 4 or 5 customers, right, from doing that, because she sent those customers your way, her family members. And then not only that, maybe she's got pets as well or whatever, she has people over regularly. You're able to get her back on the books and she becomes a repeat business customer. To do like some special cross-selling, to do some special combo deal, some flash sale for Black Friday, like if giving away a bit of free tile cleaning or something means that you just generated another 5 customers. If it then go on to use you time and time again, it's worth every penny, right? Absolutely. Number 9, cooperate with other local businesses. Reach out to other non-floor cleaning companies such as window cleaners or general cleaning services and put together some great Black Friday offer that will look generous for your clients and work well financially for you. It's impossible to overestimate this type of festive season cooperation, as effectively you are getting to know the customers of the other non-competitive businesses and potentially become their floor cleaning cleaning company of choice. So let's say you have got a window cleaner in your area and he's doing some special Black Friday deal, 4 windows cleaned for X dollars, or get 25% off when you book X number of windows or whatever. Plus also get 20% off, or plus get 3 rooms for the price of 2 when you book with our partner company XY Steamers. And maybe, this guy, when he's going around to people's houses, he's dropping a flyer in for your business or whatever, a card in or whatever it is, right? Or maybe, at the end of his window cleaning, he's got your scheduler up, he's booking people in. So the second part of your deals, you get the 25% off the windows. Do you want to take up the carpet cleaning with a partner company? We can pass on your details now if you like and get you booked in. So now he's sending his customers your way to get the carpets cleaned, his window cleaning customers, and you can do vice versa. All of your customers, you can have get 3 rooms and 4 windows cleaned for X dollars. And so you'll come in, do the carpets, he'll come in and do the windows. It's a great way, right, of working together with other local businesses to help each other and take things to that next level. Number 10, sell gift certificates. Since people are in the mood for gift buying during Black Friday season, what with Christmas and all that approaching, offer gift certificates for your floor cleaning services at a discounted rate. Nowadays, people tend to prefer giving and receiving more practical gifts, and a floor cleaning gift certificate for a family member or a close friend can be a very welcome holiday gift. So when you're a kid, you want toys, you want the latest gadget, the latest video games and stuff like that. As you get older, you seem to want less objects, things that you might not necessarily need, that's just going to end up in a cupboard or something like that. And people tend to prefer money or gift vouchers so that they can buy what they want and things that they actually need, right? So having gift certificates, gift vouchers inside your floor cleaning business is a great way at this time of year during Black Friday, during the holiday season, to promote your business. And then again, you can carry these gift certificates around with you. You can make it known to your customers. You're in someone's house, you're cleaning their carpets, they're paying up at the end. Just to let you know, we've got these gift certificates for sale for the holiday season. If you want to gift a loved one with a carpet clean or whatever, it could be a great idea. And maybe somebody that's just moved house or whatever, do you know what I mean? Or maybe a daughter that's at college, or a son that's just moved in with the girlfriend, has got some dogs or pets, and this could be a great gift idea, right? So you can offer it to your customers when you're in the home. You can do an email blast. Sometimes people are scratching their head, right, looking for ideas for Christmas and the holidays and stuff like that. So by you giving them this option, they might think, oh, that'd be perfect. And now I don't need to think about what to give this person. I can get them this. Gift certificates are a great way to promote your business during this time as well. Number 11, free gifts. One of the Black Friday marketing ideas that can bring joy to any floor cleaning customer is the free gift strategy. Adding a little something extra to a customer's offer can be a wonderful way to increase buying intent as well as customer experience. And the added items don't necessarily have to be floor cleaning related products. There are many less costly options for you to choose from. It can be some festive season treat or an ornament, cinema tickets, or coffee coupons at the local cafe. One company I saw did something amazing. They gave away a free Amazon Fire TV stick with any carpet clean. These sticks are $20, $30. They really don't cost much at all. They just plug into the USB on your TV or your laptop or whatever, and it gives you access to so much entertainment, movies and content. And with the holidays fast approaching, people wanting to watch movies and hang out with the family, it's an amazing offer, right? And if you're going to get an Amazon Fire TV stick and you were thinking about getting your carpets cleaned anyway, I'd sooner choose the one where I'm going to get that free gift. That's a pretty awesome deal, right? Over another competitor that's not offering that. So you can use different gifts, different ideas that you can bundle up. It doesn't necessarily have to be something related to your floor cleaning business. And this can be a great way to drive traffic to your company. Number 12, continue your sales into the weekend leading up to Cyber Monday, which is also another very popular day of sales. Offer sales beyond the time that your floor cleaning competitors are. Create a competitive edge by being more accommodating to people who don't have time to shop all day on Friday. That approach can reignite the booking of less decisive customers or those who were too busy at the weekend to look at the deals. SMS messaging is a direct and very effective marketing approach you can use to notify customers your sale has been extended and make the customer feel that they are chosen ones for this special extended extended floor cleaning offer. Final thoughts. Even if you don't have a lot of resources to provide customers with crazy deals, there are still plenty of other ways to draw their attention and profit during the holiday sales. Black Friday can be an extremely beneficial event for your floor cleaning company. Boost brand awareness, bring in new customers, return old customers to the schedule, secure plenty of bookings in advance. You can do all of these things with Black Friday if you play the game right. So with just 3 weeks to go, make sure you have a suitable strategy to gain more brand awareness and make your business thrive. What is more, your sales performance report will be a wonderful resource to help you improve your selling strategy later on. Especially on Black Friday, when your buyers are more diverse and purchases increase, you will have a better understanding of audience insights. At the same time, there's always room for improvement. Make use of the analysis to see what needs to be changed and how you can increase buying incentive. Learning from your Black Friday performance will let you optimize your next promotions faster and more effectively. So ultimately, what we're saying here is if over the Black Friday season you're seeing most people are booking like 4 rooms in a hallway, or it's mostly this age range, or most of your business is coming in from these zip codes, so on and so forth, you can use that data because of that increased sales performance to dial in for future sales, future advertising strategies, so on and so forth. And I'd like to end this just by touching on some of the best platforms and the best ways to promote these holiday sales. We've actually talked about different sale ideas, such as a flash sale, like that's going to end in an hour, it's just there, or having sales on the run up to Black Friday, working with other companies and combining services. We talked about all different ideas in terms of leveraging Black Friday to bring more business in, but in terms of the actual platforms, 100% social media is the number one platform. If you're not running ads on Facebook, Instagram, or any of those places, you're not putting out content on those platforms, that is going to be the place to run all of these kind of deals. And what you can do, for example, with Facebook advertising, you can upload your customer list and you can retarget all of those people on Facebook and Instagram with these Black Friday deals. The great thing about that is that these people are people that have used your business before, so they're already a customer of yours, they're already aware of you, trust is already there. There'll always be that rapport with that customer, they're not cold, they're already warmed up. And so by retargeting those existing customers on social media, you can actually get back in front of them with these deals and probably get them back on the schedule. You also want to be targeting new customers as well, so cold traffic. You also want to be leveraging organic stuff by putting out content organically. And then on top of that, you can also leverage your existing list by doing email marketing campaigns, SMS marketing campaigns, and things like that. So those are going to be the best platforms, those are going to be the best ways to actually implement or execute on some of these ideas, these different promotional ideas that we've talked about here. And like I say, I've seen myself online a number of people, floor cleaning business owners, that have been very much against running any kind of deals for like Black Friday and stuff like that. And I feel that's like a completely wrong mindset. I feel that if you understand business and you understand the long-term aspects of business, it's things like this that can really enable you to take your business to the next level. Because yes, you might lose a bit of money doing a free hallway, throwing in a few bottles of spotting kit, giving away a few Amazon Fire Sticks, doing a free bathroom or tile cleaning or whatever. But like I said, if you get 100 new customers through this process and 50 of them go on to become repeat business customers, 20 of them bring you referrals because you've got a great referral scheme in place, long-term ROI of this promotion could be huge, and the long-term results of this on your company could be massively positive. And it's about having that understanding when it comes to business, about having that mindset that's going to differentiate you from every other floor cleaning business owner. It's about being able to play the game, understanding the game, which is what all of these videos that I'm making are all about. And if you do that, you will succeed and you will beat your competition. So take this on board, have a think about some of these ideas, what you can do for Black Friday. And the other thing as well to mention is that, look, you don't have to give everything away. You don't have to work for free or massively discount your prices to make Black Friday work for you. It could be as simple as giving away a bottle of spotting kit. It could be, which costs you like next to nothing, or laying down an extra room of deodorizer than you normally would for free. Things that don't take much time, that don't cost massive amounts of money. It could be a little hallway in an apartment, that it takes no extra time, but on paper it sounds like a great deal. It's about perceived value, things like that. So yeah, give it some thought. I think there's a lot to be said for leveraging Black Friday in a longer term perspective. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to our website, which has got loads more information where you can also book a call. See you on the next video. Peace.